Very good morning all of you who are watching my video. Since the previous sessions we have discussed about different activities related to the food components presented in the balanced diet, how to test the different food components presented in the balanced diet, how to classification, all these things discussed previously. Now today I am going to explain you how to classify the nutrient values presented in the pre-processed food. That is cooked food, like in the form of Lay's packets or Kurkure packets. Most of the children are very much attracted. Today I brought to you what actually you are eating from the pre-cooked food. Let us try to classify what it contains. Is it good to take? Okay, what are the sequences of taking this type of foods frequently? That I am going to discuss. And final conclusion, I would like to explain about the learning part of this lesson. So keep on watching till the end. All of you get ready with pen and pencil and note down the important values. For that, we would like to design a small example, a small demonstration for you. Everybody very much interested to take the last packets, I think so. By seeing the surface of the wrapper itself, mouth watering. It is a slicey and spicy, and you will feel happy. Most of the children feel happy to take it. But many of you know, do you really taking good food or not? Doesn't know. Of course, you try to understand what food it is going to be taken, what it is going to be added into the body, what is the effect of the junk foods to take. Okay. So, is it really good to take this type of foods frequently? Let us come in detail to discuss about in a descriptive manner. So, for that, just I wanted to show you this simple Lay's packets. All of you know very well, and nobody is going to identify what content it contains. Many of the children, not only you, even elders also neglecting. So before going to take any processed food items, you must watch this, you must observe this and backside of the wrapper, what content is presented. See, I will try to present you a closer appearance of all of you, observe it. So what it contains inside it. So a table-like structure is presented. See, I would like to read out all the names. The first one, the proteins under the food contents, per 100 grams weight, the food packet containing, how much really it is giving the energy to the body. Actually, we know very well the unit of energy in calories, a smaller value. Kilocalories are the higher value. I will try to make the understanding after my session. What is the conversion of kilocalories into calories also. All of you keep on watching and I'll read out all those things, go through it. First of all, protein grams are given. See, per 100 grams is presented here. Actually, it is given 556 kilocalories of energy presented in this food content. And second one, total carbohydrates presented 7.3. Okay, and sugars. Of course, 3.4. So, other things, see, carbohydrates 49.4. Total fats given 36.46. Saturated fat 14.5. Trans fat is given 0.1. Of course, sodium, that is salts and all, is present in the milligrams. That means very little, less quality is the mineral which is added. 999 kilocalories per 100 grams of the packet. So other things like perforated salts, perforated like added in colors, all these things together. See, these are all chemical products. While you are taking before, you must try to go through this strap. Is it really rich, valuable nutrients consisting or not? If not, be careful, my dear children. Take and observe it, and please try to avoid such a healthy, unconditional values is going to be taken. So, all of you remember, before going to take any type of processed foods available into the supermarkets or markets, you just go through it, that the food values or food contents presented inside it. Okay, so by adding all these things, you will get some energy in the form of total kilocalories. That means for 100 grams, it is given some kilocalories of energy. So already in previous sessions I explained very clearly the importance of carbohydrates that will be provided to you, the energy, the real energy for the driving force of to do our daily activities. Okay, so we require naturally all these things. Carbohydrates very rich content in high quantity, and minerals and all very less quantity, fats is less quantity. All this together we call it as a balanced diet, already mentioned previously. Now let us try to explain about the conversion of kilocalories into calorie. So my dear children, all of you observe 1 kilocalorie. Kilo means what? 1000. We know very well. Previously I explained, I recollect it once again, all of you remember. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams means 10 to the power of 3 calories. So this is the mathematical explanation in the scientific facts. All of you in this way think about it and go through everything, observe clearly and take into the in the form of food items. Okay. So all of you, by simple activity, you can understand what actually you are really offering to take the food. If is it a really good means, let us take. If not, what is it? It is not containing, see, it is not containing more quantity of fats. Okay. And no fibers mentioned in that, no fibrous mass is mentioned in that, no water content is presented in that. So that means it is not a good digestive product. That means you must take in a limited way along with the water, then only we can survive. Otherwise it is going to be affected the digestive tract. Understand? So my dear children, keep on watching and understand before going to purchase anything. Not only these lace packets, but also some other packets available, like the see marigold I am taking for you. Okay, I think all of you observe very clearly. See how it is mentioned the table wise. Go through it, all of you, my dear children, and understand the importance of the food values contained inside the pocket. Okay, so which is attractive. Naturally, children are fond of to take and enjoy, but it is not correct. So what is correct? With a balanced diet, we must see all these things in a proportional values to take it. Otherwise, it is not a balanced diet. Okay. I hope all of you understand the importance of the junk foods to avoid, and the importance of taking foods are available, the preserved, processed pockets before going to eat. Think and take. Otherwise, it is going to affect it to your body, the digestive system, and causing many troubles to the body. Understand, like in the form of burning sensation, gases formation inside the stomach, all those are the disorders presented inside the body. Okay, thank you children. Before going to the conclusion of this lesson, I would like to asking you a few questions. All of you, please, all of you note down and try to answer them. So after watching all sessions, what you understand? Different kinds of activities we have done for you. Different explanation and different definitions were explained with several examples. By concluding all these things, let us frame some questions. So naturally you think from each and every content of the lesson. Based on that, you frame some of the questions, okay, to answer well. Okay, for example, let us see, I will prepare for you some of the learning part. Number one, mention different food contents presented in your daily life with examples. Another question, what is a balanced diet and state its importance? And third one, how do you test different food contents with the different small activities? For example, iodine test for the carbohydrates, oil test for the fats, minerals and salts. Okay, of course, another one, proteins test. All these things we can come across all the question formation in this under third content. Number four, state the importance of water. Is it water is essential? Another way we can ask like this. So like that, keep on understanding about the formation of the question and try to present your answer with your own way of answers. Think about it. Okay. And what are the junk foods? State examples. And what are the effect on causes to health hazards causing to the body by taking junk foods? Obesity. What is meant by obesity? What are the causes and effects of the obesity? And finally, how do you overcome all the problems? Okay, how do you overcome all the problems of the human diseases? Most probably, okay, and what steps that you are going to be taken in our daily life, and how do you overcome these problems. These type of questions most probably in the examination part are going to be asking. Okay, so all of you note down and create your own thinking ideas from each and every para, different types of questionnaire, and based on the analysis and based on understanding of the questions of reading textbook, listening, watching some videos and all, so you can try to answer well. Okay, my dear children, hope you enjoy and understand well. Keep on watching my videos, and another presentation I will come to you, okay, with a little preparation and interesting facts. Okay, keep on watching. Till then, goodbye, my dear children. Bye bye. Keep on smiling. Bye.